So I love a house with a good story, and this house definitely has one. What we love is homeowners who allow us to kind of tell the story and let people come in here and experience the house as it should be. This house is very unique. It has a carriage barn outside. We wanted to really showcase that as great living space. So we have Zona tonight doing a wine tasting in the barn. People are milling around, the gardens, and we're just excited because people are seeing the house as it should be.
So Caroline's a longtime friend. We've collaborated together, and she said, I've got this really cool property and I'd like to do a wine tasting. And I said, great. Because a lot of times I think when houses are being shown, they're being shown as space, but you don't get to see them as living space. And just this relocated barn from Western New Jersey, you know, I walked in here and I said, this is one of the cooler spaces in the community. And when I do wine events, I'm always looking for a pretty cool, unusual, atypical space to do it. And here it is, right here in somebody's backyard. And this just like says, this is a place for a party. This is a place for a wine tasting event. This is a place for a gathering.
The barn offers variety and bonus space that somebody can use for whatever they want. It's so versatile. So tonight we're using it as a space for a great wine tasting.